Christmas tide on high. Keep the falling down, magic light. Christmas tide on high.
Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 7, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys basically just a quick easy meal that I make for dinner, and that's gonna be that. Today I'm strictly keeping it just to cooking, just because I have so much I've been doing today, so much stuff I have going on, and I'm still trying to create content to post on my Instagram. What the hell? I'm still trying to create content to post on my Instagram, so I'm gonna give y'all a nice and easy cooking video. Thumbs up this video if you enjoy cooking content. If you want to see more of this, comment below what type of food you think I should make next, or anything that you think I should try. Keep in mind, I like to only eat chicken as my meat. I do eat beef, but strictly I do normally only eat chicken. I like shrimp, I'll do salmon and stuff, and crabs, but I don't do pork and all that other stuff, so keep in mind. But if you guys are enjoying this video, comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and let's get right. So I took it upon myself just to take everything out so I could show you guys what I got. The first thing I did was get a stack of these Lunchable pizzas. This is like one of their favorites. So they had 3 and you get another 3 for free, so that was a good deal for those. I just got some Simply Raspberry Lemonade. I got some heavy whipping cream because I want to make baked macaroni and cheese, and I think I'm gonna show y'all an updated baked mac and cheese like recipe. It's either gonna be in tonight's vlog, or if I don't put it tonight, I'll just add it into the vlog tomorrow for you guys to see. So that's coming. I got some Gold Peak raspberry tea as well. Clearly raspberry is one of my faves. I got them some Capri Sun fruit punch. We needed some more syrup. I'm gonna use the penne noodles in this macaroni and cheese, so I did take it upon myself to get penne noodles. So we got that. Tonight for dinner, because I said I wanted to do the mac and cheese and stuff, because I got some jumbo cooked shrimp that I want to make like a little shrimp scampi type of thing with some y'all gonna see, with some spinach, because I'm gonna show y'all the spinach in a second. And then I want to make some baked macaroni and cheese. I think that is gonna be so fire. Disregard them, they probably about to argue in the background. So I got some more blueberry waffles. This is one of my faves, as well as Kaden eats this too. So I did want us to get more blueberry waffles. I got them a big thing of Lucky Charms, because in my house this goes so quick. So I got the family size, because also my cousins, they like that too. So I got the family box. And then some spinach. I'm gonna saute some spinach. I got some boneless chicken breast. Well, of course, some boneless. I don't know why I said that, but some chicken breast. I got that. I got some sweet corn. I want to have that tomorrow for Taco Tuesday, so I got some corn. Another thing of spinach that's going to go with the meal. I got a couple of cheeses. I got cheddar jack, sharp cheddar, 2 of those. I got, yeah, and mad cheddar jack. I don't know why I got so much. But yeah, Kevin never have enough cheese, I guess. And another thing of sweet corn, which I also didn't mean to do doubles, but I did. And that's pretty much it for the week. So you guys, stay tuned on what dinner and stuff is looking like. And like I said, I think I'm gonna just do a whole vlog dedicated to this baked mac and cheese. So that'll probably be tomorrow, the baked mac and cheese vlog. I'm gonna make us some baked macaroni and cheese, but I wanted to switch it up and use the penne noodles. So I have my penne noodles right here. I have my cheddar jack cheese, and I have 2 things of sharp cheese. So these are gonna be the cheeses that I'm gonna use. And then I got me some heavy whipping cream. So I'm going to actually make me a stovetop cheese sauce that I'm going to pour inside of the mixture. Y'all gonna see, it's gonna be fire. I'm putting y'all on, I'm giving y'all you know, meals, inspirations, all that good stuff. So let's go back over here. So as you can see, I boiled my water. So right now I'm just going to put my noodles inside of my water. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna start off with a half a stick of this unsalted hotel butter. And we are gonna just put it in our pot. I'm gonna warm up the pot first, and then we're gonna just drop the stick of butter inside of here and get started with this recipe. So let's drop our stick of butter in there. And as I have my stick of butter in there, I'm going to put in the heavy cream. And I'm put about this much, and we are gonna just let that kind of mix in, and then I'm gonna show y'all me adding in the cheeses, okay? And ignore the kids, because you know they gotta be in the mix. Okay, so we have our sauces, our little mixture simmering. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just add in my cheddar jack cheese into this, and we're gonna make our stovetop cheese sauce. And I'm gonna just go ahead and do the whole bag. I want it nice and cheesy, and I'll just like mix it up in there. And then pretty much, you guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix it up until it thickens up. And if you want to just like speed up the process, you could just put like a top on top of this pan, and it'll just speed it up. But it's pretty much a thick sauce. It's very easy to do this. It's not like a long process, and I kind of don't even want it super duper thick. Like, look at this, it's already thick. So that's done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drain my noodles. Okay, y'all, so I basically took out I boiled the noodles, and I basically drained it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just add my salt. This is salt I'm gonna use. I just do it according to eye. I'm that person. I cook according to my eye. How it looks is how it's gonna come out. So yeah, I like to put a good amount of salt. Before, I didn't know how to make macaroni. This was the one thing I will always forget, would be freaking salt. And I would be like, dang, why does it taste like that? Because I'm forgetting to add salt. Alright, I'm sorry, y'all, that was my little sister. So what I took upon myself to do now is I just pre-sliced my butter. So this is about 1 tablespoon of butter. Now, I would say if you have high blood pressure or stuff, you have to cook according to your life. And for me, this is gonna work out. So I did about 4 of these. I think 4 is a reasonable amount. So I did 4. I'm gonna get ready to add my cheese sauce in right now. Let me just get a spoon. I don't know what happened to my spoon, but I'm gonna get a new spoon. And we're gonna pour in our cheese sauce. That in the sink, and I'm gonna mix in my cheese sauce like so, and also mix in my butter and everything. It smells so freaking good. And then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour just ever so slightly a little bit of heavy cream, not a lot, just a little bit of heavy cream, like so. OMG, y'all. Oh wait, I'm lying. I was gonna say, dang, I want more eggs, but I have 1 egg left, and that's literally all I want. It's like 1 egg. So I'm gonna crack 1 egg. Bang. And now mix that up in here too. Yeah, I already know it's about to taste good, okay? If you know, you know. And then I'm gonna open up my cheddar cheese and pour my cheddar up in there. I like to mix my cheese, like as I go, I'll mix the cheese in. I really love cheese. Like, I'm a cheesy type of girl, so I like my mac hella cheesy. I did the first bag, and now I'm gonna go over my second bag of cheddar. So I did use about 3 bags of cheese. For this pan, I used 3 bags of cheese, y'all. And now I have my oven heating up to 350, and we are gonna get ready to put this in. the oven. And it should be like this. Tell me this shit ain't, this is gonna be fire. So we're gonna let our oven preheat to 350, and then we're gonna put it inside of the oven. Then she goes, I'm gonna let her stay in for about 35 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. And then I'm gonna take her out and let y'all see what she looking like. So stay tuned for dinner, cooking with my mind. Okay y'all, so we're gonna get ready to make us some shrimp. So what we're gonna do is, we have our pan or our skillet, whatever you want to call it. We have that. I have the stove on right now, basically getting the pot or the pan with some garlic cloves, or not garlic clove, with some minced garlic. I'm sorry, not garlic clove. So I put some minced garlic in there because I'm gonna add my own seasoning, and it's gonna get salty, and I don't like my food hella salty. It can be bland, but I don't want it like mad salty either. No. Add warm water and that's it. Usually I always take my tails off. So like if you ever have shrimp by me, I always take the tails off. I hate when people make shrimp and they leave the tails on. Like, why? So I'm gonna go in with the seasoning. The Red Hot original seasoning blend. Oh, and I'm not gonna do a lot because it smells spicy. I didn't know it was gonna be spicy. I don't know how I would not know that, and it said Red Hot, but yeah, very, very, very little of that. Then this is the onion powder. Nice little hand of onion powder. I'm gonna go in with the oregano and just dazzle that up in there. I'm gonna mix it up first so everything is distributed. Mix it up. And the thing I love about shrimp is shrimp cooks hella fast. Like these shrimps cook so quick, and just shrimp in general. So this is like a nice quick easy meal. If y'all hear that noise, I'm sorry, that's the dishwasher. Usually it's honestly a very quiet dishwasher, I will say that. So yeah, we got that. Now I'm gonna go in with my Old Bay. Oh, and by the way, the mac is done. I'm gonna show y'all how the mac looks once I put it on the stove. I'm really like coating it in Old Bay because, like I said, I'm gonna mix everything up like so. So I'm gonna let my shrimp finish cooking, and I'm gonna push the shrimp to the back. And now we're gonna get ready to saute that spinach. And that is gonna pretty much be it for our dinner in today's vlog once I'm done. But I want to give you guys ideas of little easy meals and stuff you could cook. And also I wanted to be hella authentic in my vlogs, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't do stuff every single day. Like some days I don't do anything, and I'm trying to create content today. So in the midst of me creating content, I still need to cook food. So I finished. This is the Chrissy Teigen pans too, by the way, which are amazing. I love these pans, pots and pans. They're non-stick, which is one of my favorites. I hate pans and pots that stick. This is all non-stick stuff, so that's good. I'm gonna pretty much do the same thing. Going with some garlic cloves, minced garlic. I don't know why I always say garlic cloves. Minced garlic. I am going to put some olive oil in here. This is the extra virgin olive oil. Not a lot, just a little bit. And we're gonna allow that to warm up, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks once I throw the spinach in here. Okay, y'all, so since I don't have any chicken broth, I'm just gonna put a little bit more of that seasoning on it just to give it that flavor. Clearly I need to get some more chicken broth. And my shrimp is done. So we just gonna finish stirring this around, but basically it's pretty much almost done. This is such a quick easy meal, y'all. This is a good idea too if you want to do like an at-home stay at home like date night type of idea. I think this is a good one. So like this video if you like these type of cookies. Alright y'all, so this is the finished meal. I'm gonna show you guys my reaction to see my facial expression and everything. Fire. Is that a broom? Yeah. The spinach is not too salty. I wish I had that ham seasoning though, because when I'm telling y'all, the ham seasoning gives it the nice, like a nice kick. I already had the shrimp, so, but just so you guys can see me eat them. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Comment which part you liked, or comment any food you want to see me make, or if you enjoy cooking videos. And until then, I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Later, mamas.